G'day, it's Mark here and welcome back to the channel. Today I was going through some of my old photos, and when I worked at Mitsubishi, I was always on the lookout for any old Chrysler material. I used to ask the dealers, also internally at the office, Mitsubishi Motors, any old Chrysler material. I was always pretty keen to grab whatever I could, brochures, signs, anything. Anyway, I came across some files of the dealer development manager, and he had photos of all the dealerships back in the Chrysler days, and there's some really cool images. So come on a little journey back in time, Chrysler Australia's heyday, and you can see a wider range of vehicles, brand new in the showroom, on various dealer yards, and also used cars, and just general streetscapes of what Australia looked like back, I guess in the 70s. It's probably the era they're from, based on the models. They look like sort of, early to later 70s. But anyway, sit down and enjoy, and check out these classic Mopars. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you give a thumbs up and a like, and love to hear your comments on which cars you thought you'd like to own today. Thanks. Bye.